Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wheel bearing on this 2012 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. First thing you need to do, crack loose your lug nuts, elevate your vehicle, take your lug nuts and your wheel off. Alright, now we need to take our brake caliper off. So we're going to need to remove that bolt right there. And that bolt right there. It'll be a lot easier to get to this bolt if you unhook this. So pull on this with some vice grips and push the lever back that way, and then you'll be able to pull this right out. Once you've got the caliper off, you can remove the rotor. If it doesn't just pop right off, hit it with the hammer all around here and it should come loose. Alright, now we've got 4 bolts that we need to take out. The heads of the bolts are on the back side of the hub thing here. So there's one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. Okay, here's the deal. Those bolts are an E-Torx bolt. I'll have sockets for these listed in the description below. I didn't have a set, so what I used was a 10mm 6-point socket. I got all but 3 of them out, and this one, I cut this right here so I could get my 4.5-inch angle grinder in here, and then cut here, and that got that one loose so I could get that one out. So I'll probably put new bolts in here, but at this point, you need to knock your bearing out, and then there's a sensor on the back side that you need to unplug. All right, there's the sensor right there that you need to unplug. Just push this little tab down, I think, and then that should pull off. And then I'll have a link to a new bearing from Amazon in the description below. But at this point, you just put it back together the way you took it apart. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.